going on, YouTube? Here with my second video. Let's do this. So, what my YouTube gonna be about? Obviously fitness. You see my first video. Yeah, dropped a shitload of weight. Let's see how we're gonna bring this in. It's gonna be about cars also. Man, I need a haircut. They're really bad. Anyways, but yeah, family. Just about a bunch of stuff. Just gonna vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna be editing my videos on this thing here, and that's a calendar that I track my weight on. It's a car calendar, but yeah. Later on in the video, I'll show you my car, show you what I'm working with. Boop, 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 boop. So, yeah, stay tuned. Today is what's today? The 2nd? June 2nd. Summertime. A lot of cars. Right, Chicago weather just can't get right. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do this, man. Let's get it. See you later. Boom. What's up, baby? Yeah, we out here. Look at this. Gonna go? Gonna go, bro? Look at that Corvette, though. Let's go. Little roaster. Got some nice cars out here, man. Yeah. Look at what's this. Yeah, YouTube, we out here. I got my baby over here too. They looked at it like, oh, that piece of shit, brand new car. You know how the old guys be looking at it. Probably leave pretty much most of the shit out here. This bitch got a 427 in there though, big block. That 6.6 back there, that Trans Am, it's running. Got a Chevy SS Nova right here. I always wanted one of those, man. Man, old schools out here. This GTX though. I can't wait to get up there to this tall guy car review shit. See some cars, man, some modern cars instead of the bullshit that these guys be like, fuck you, your new car. Favorite cars just pull up. Favorite car. My mom used to have one in her backyard. I don't know what she did with it. That's why I fell in love with it, but look. Fight the body. Sheesh. And it's clean. Ford Racing, like I told you. I hear that motor, bro.
I'm surprised it's car race.
Mm-hmm.
You know why these runners are amazing? Well, they don't weigh shit.
They don't weigh nothing.
That's why they're got a newer.
Jeez. You got this motherfucker ripped, bro. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. Electric fuel pump, electric water pump on it.
That thing?
That's a water pump.
Yeah. This thing mean, bro.
It's fucking clean, dude.
Yeah. Look at them slicks back there. Blue top driving.
This shit off the side of the car, dude. I want to put one of those on my shit.
Said, fuck it. I love this car, bro. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna do one.
They look good.
It's too clean. Ain't got no fuel cell though.
Probably not.
Yeah,
This ain't no 90 dash.
yeah, it's like a.
It's got 90 front end, but it's an 80.
Damn. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. It's 83.
93 must. I tried the I got plastics on mine, antiques on mine. and they won't let you like put your own plate lettering if you do antiques in Indiana.
Oh,
I was gonna
good.
put like Steve's SS or something. They said no, you can't do it unless you plate it up with
Fucking,
regular plates. Like antiques, you can't pick what you want. You can't do a custom plate.
Oh, no shit. Here come another Trans Am. Starting to show up. Bandit, baby. It's iconic. You're gonna never see one of these again. Bandolero. that's new. That ain't part of it. That's new.
¿Esa de qué, güey? Le pusieron.
No, not with that. That's
It's a lot of cars.
First green name on the highway. Oh, first is that 373 gear? Look at the 5-speed.
What, about 3 months? 5? This one got an LS swap in it. Ready. Horsepower, baby. This Bandit though, man. One of my favorite cars. .6 in that bad boy. Running.
I know it's starting to get cool though, but I gotta get up early tomorrow.
He said how much horsepower?
No, I ain't asking. He just said him and his homie redid the whole car. And he told me he's got a 373. I'm thinking about doing that tonight.
A 373?
Yeah.
That's short. It's like a Mustang one, right?
Said it fucking moves with it.
Oh, you got the sticker too.
Yeah, they came with the sticker.
He got water in that bad boy. He ain't got no antifreeze. You know he put this up in the winter. This is sick though. Man.
Oh yeah, dude. That's your LS swap one right up there?
Yeah.
That looks good too, man.
You got to do a lot of fabrication, or they had like.
It was that car was originally a small block car, so it wasn't too hard to just
Drop it in.
drop it in there. Yeah.
You just had to get fucking
Mounts.
mounts for the.
Yeah, the motor mounts. When I originally had the automatic transmission in there, I also had to get a like spacers for the flywheel.
Okay.
But beyond that, the starter and everything like that lined up, it was just like in the middle.
Wow.
The spacers.
Yeah, I got a 88 Monte Carlo. I'm thinking about doing the same thing. So
What's wrong, buddy?
It's not primer.
Primer?
How do you say it?
Primer?
No.
What?
It's not, you don't say primer.
Plymouth?
Plymouth? Does he say
Yeah.
I don't say primer.
All right, what are you talking about?
So this Trans Am gets 23 to the mile on the fucking on the highway.
Highway? Damn.
Yeah. Keep your foot on Yeah.
But when you drive a car, it's kind of about fucking.
That's crazy, 23.
It's road race, so yeah. And otherwise, I wouldn't bother with the big brakes on it. 'Cause
Yeah.
you need it for road racing. It generates a lot of heat, and you need the mass for heat.
about doing it, man. Myself,
Probably gotta roll it forward.
You're on this car, bro.
Yeah, man, that thing is secure.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's.
All the body panels lined up well.
Oh yeah, you
Mine
can
don't.
fucking run a
This
marble
car's-
down there.
This car was wrecked when I bought it. So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, man, it's there though, man. You got
Yeah.
it. It's together.
Yeah.
So you got that engine in there and the
Thing's in
tires.
awesome shape, man. It's
So
gonna
let me
eat
tell-
off of everything, it looks like.
Dude, you can put a marble down this motherfucker. Look how straight it is, and it's black, dude. Well, except for the hood right
In the front too.
there. Yeah. Well, outside of that, black is the worst color, dude.
The paint.
Yeah, because it shows everything.